Sometimes you are not given your apothem length, and you need to find the apothem in order to find the area. So if you're asked to find the apothem and you're given the side length, this is how you find the apothem. You will have a problem just like this in your homework, so pay close attention here. So if you are asked to find the apothem length and you're given a side length, this is what you are due when you're given a side length. All right, so what we need to do is think about the fact that we've got a right triangle when we're dealing with the apothem. So this side right here represents our apothem, right? That's our apothem. And I highlighted, we've created a right triangle here. And we know that once we have a right triangle and a given side length, that we can use some of our trig ratios to help us find side lengths. So I'm going to redraw this right triangle right here. Whoops. So we know the entire side length is 10, so the base of our right triangle that I highlighted is going to be half of that, so it's going to be 5. We want to find the apothem. I'm going to put A to represent the unknown. And now we need an angle measurement. We need this angle measurement up here at the top. So this is how we're going to find that angle measurement. That angle measurement is going to be always use this formula, 180 degrees divided by the number of sides, and that's going to give us that angle measurement. So how many sides do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-sided polygon. So what we do is we take 180 and divide it by 6, and I get 30 degrees. So I know that this is a 30-degree angle. So you can either use, if you want, you can use a trig ratio, SOHCAHTOA, or in this case, you could use patterns of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and use a trig ratio. We want to find the apothem length, so we're going to start up here. This is our reference. We're standing at that angle. We have the opposite side, and we need to find the adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is TOA, so we're going to use the tangent ratio. So I would set up tangent 30 equals opposite over adjacent, just like the warm-up problem we did. Now to solve for A, we're going to divide or multiply each side by A to get that A out of our denominator. Then we can divide each side by tangent 30, because now we really have A times tangent 30 equals 5, so we're going to divide each side by tangent 30. So I'm going to let my calculator do the work. I'm going to type in 5 divided by tangent 30. 5 divided by tangent 30, and it looks like I get 8.7 when I round. 8.7 when I round. So my apothem here is equal to 8.7. My apothem is equal to 8.7. That's how you find your apothem lengths, and then we could go ahead and find the area of this polygon. But I just wanted to point out how you find the apothem length when you're given a side length of a regular polygon.